Hey food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown. Beef or pork? Which one reigns supreme? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk protein. Both beef and pork are packed with protein, but beef edges out just a bit higher. So if you're hitting the gym and looking to bulk up, beef might be your go-to. Now, on to fats. The fat content varies depending on the cut. Beef often has more saturated fats, while pork tends to have more unsaturated fats. So if you're watching your heart health, those lean pork cuts can be an excellent choice. Let's talk vitamins and minerals. Beef is a powerhouse of iron and vitamin B12, essential for energy and blood health. On the other hand, pork is rich in thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, which helps convert food into energy. Both are winners here. Calorie count? They're pretty similar. Both beef and pork come in at around 250–300 calories per 100 grams. So you can enjoy either without worrying too much about the calorie count. Now, how do they stack up in terms of health benefits and risks? Both can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Choosing lean cuts and keeping an eye on portion sizes is key. Lean beef or pork can be heart healthy, but be mindful of those processed meats like bacon and sausage, which have been linked to higher cancer risks. And let's not forget the environment. Beef production tends to have a higher carbon footprint compared to pork. So, if sustainability is on your mind, pork might be the greener choice. But what about taste? Beef has that robust, hearty flavor, perfect for steaks, roasts, and stews. Pork, with its slightly sweeter and more nuanced taste, is incredibly versatile. Think pulled pork, pork chops, and tenderloins. So, how do you choose the healthiest option? Opt for lean cuts. Use healthier cooking methods like grilling, broiling, or baking, and watch those portions. Ultimately, the choice between beef and pork comes down to personal preference, dietary needs, and lifestyle choices. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments below, are you team beef or team pork? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.